Hello and welcome back to Vision Economics Academy. This is Sir Shivankar, and we were solving elasticity of demands unsolved practicals from the book of Sandeep Garg, Microeconomics. Okay, so as we have already finished solving till question number 6, today we will continue with question number 7. Suppose that originally a product was being sold at rupees 170 per unit and the quantity demanded was 1000. So initially the price was 170 and the quantity was 1000. The product price changes to rupees 14. It's given in the question, but I think it's a typing error, so I'll write P1 as 140 because there can't be such dramatic change. Then the quantity demanded changes to 500 units. So as the price has fallen, the quantity demanded has also fallen, right? Yes. Now, change in price is P1 minus P, that is 140 minus 70 is minus 30. Change in Q is 500 minus 1000, that is Q1 minus Q, that'll give us minus 500. Now putting it in the formula of elasticity of demand, change in Q by change in P by P by Q. Sorry, change in Q by change in P into P by Q. So change in Q is 500 minus 500 by minus 30 into 170 and 1000. Yes, we have just put the value of change in quantity by change in price into quantity. These are the initial price and quantity. All right. So 0, 0, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. This 0 and this also gets cancelled. So we'll get 17 5 85, then 30. Right? So minus minus gets cancelled. You have 2.83. So as elasticity of demand is 2.83, okay, price elasticity of demand is highly elastic. All right, so let's continue with question number 8. So reading the question, the consumer purchases 10 units of commodity when its price was rupees 5 per unit. That means a consumer would purchase quantity 10 when the price was 5 initially, and then he purchased 12 units when the price fell down to 4. It's as simple as possible. Change in Q is 12 minus 10, that is 2. Change in P is 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. Then elasticity of demand equals to change in Q by change in P into P by Q. That is 2 by minus 1 into 5 by 10. Right? So the answer is minus 1. Right? So as elasticity of demand is equals to uh, within modulus 1, that means elasticity is unitary. It's unitary elastic, right? It is equal to 1. Now let's you can take the screenshot of it for those who want to refer this. Now let's move on to question number 9. Following are the demand schedule of the commodities A and B. Which one of them has more elastic demand? Okay, so there is commodity A and commodity B. So we should find out elasticity for both commodities separately, right? And then compare as to which commodities demand is more elastic. First, the commodity A. Here the price is 10 right? Quantity demanded is 100, and then the price increased to 12, quantity demanded fell to 90. Now, simple as this, change in P is 12 minus 10, that is 2, and change in Q is 90 minus 10, 100, that is minus 10. Then, elasticity of demand equals to change in Q by change in P into P by Q, that is minus 10 by 2 into 10 by 100. So 0 0 gets cancelled here as well, so 1 by 2, that is 0.50, right? Now let us see the price elasticity of commodity B. Commodity B, the price has changed from 20 to 18, so it has reduced, the price has reduced from 18, sorry, 20 to 18. That means change in P is 18 minus 20, that is minus 2. Change in quantity is, previously the quantity was 100, now it has increased to 110. So 110 minus 100, that is 10. Okay, so the quantity initially was 100. Now putting it into the formula, change in Q is 10 by change in P is minus 2 into P by Q. All right, now it's pretty simple. We'll cancel the zeros, right? 2 2 gets cancelled, then it is 1, right? So since commodity A's elasticity is 0.50 and commodity B's elasticity is 1, we can say that commodity B is more elastic. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of it. So we have taken down the elasticity of demand of both commodity A and commodity B, and we have found out that A was inelastic and B was unitary elastic. So as compared to commodity A, commodity B is more elastic. Now, the final question of this segment is now question number 10. Okay, we'll have more questions of different types in this practicals, but this is the last of this kind. Following is the demand schedule of commodity Y. Okay, calculate the elasticity of demand when price rises from 15 to 20. So first is 15 to 20. That time the quantity has changes from 100 to 40. So P is 15, Q is 100, P1 is 20, and Q1 is 40. Okay, all right, because the price has rises from 15 to 20, so we are dealing with these two changes. Now the change in Q would be 40 minus 100, that is minus 60. Change in P is 20 minus 15, that is 5. Elasticity of demand equals to minus 60 by 5 into P, that is 15 by Q. All right, so we'll get minus 9 by 5, that will be 1.8, right? So number 1, elasticity of demand is highly elastic, or it is highly elastic demand. Okay. Number 2, price falls from 20 to 15. Now it's just the opposite, 20 to 15, right? Now the price has fallen. So P was 20, P1 has become 15, Q was 40, Q1 has become 100. Okay. Now the changes are similar, but still the absolute value matters, right? Now change in P is 15 minus 20, that is minus 5. Change in Q is 100 minus 40, that is 60. So elasticity of demand is 60 by minus 5 into P, that is 20, by Q. 6. Okay. So it is highly elastic demand. All right. So with this, we come to an end of question number 10 as well. So we'll continue in the next class with more practicals. We'll continue with number 11. And till then, stay safe. See you soon and study well. Thank you.